Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our overall health and well-being. For individuals over 50, the right supplements can maintain vitality and enhance quality of life. In this video, we will explore essential supplements that can support your health journey during this stage of life. We'll discuss vitamins like B12 and D, minerals such as calcium and magnesium, and other beneficial supplements like omega-3 fatty acids and probiotics. Understanding which supplements to embrace and which to avoid is vital for making informed health decisions. Not all supplements are equal. Some may interact negatively with medications or existing health conditions. Knowing what to look for and what to steer clear of, you can tailor your supplement regimen to meet your needs. The impact of the right supplements on health and longevity cannot be overstated. Research shows that proper supplementation can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve cognitive function, and enhance overall energy levels. This is especially important as we strive to maintain an active lifestyle and enjoy our golden years. So, whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support bone health, or improve heart function, understanding the role of supplements is essential. Join us as we delve deeper into the world of supplements for those over 50, empowering you to make choices that can lead to a healthier, longer life. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. 3 supplements people over 50 must never take. As we navigate the world of supplements, we must know that not all are safe, especially for individuals over 50. Here are 3 supplements that can pose significant risks for this age group. First on the list is iron. While iron is essential for many bodily functions, excessive intake can lead to iron overload, which is particularly dangerous for older adults. Studies have shown that high iron levels can increase the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that older adults often have sufficient iron stores, making supplementation unnecessary and potentially harmful. Next, we have vitamin E. Although it's often marketed for its antioxidant properties, high doses of vitamin E can increase the risk of hemorrhagic stroke. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that older adults taking high doses of vitamin E had a significantly higher risk of this type of stroke. Therefore, moderation is vital, and it's best to obtain vitamin E through a balanced diet rather than supplements. Lastly, we should consider St. John's wort. This herbal supplement is commonly used for depression, but it can interact dangerously with various medications, including antidepressants, blood thinners, and even some cancer treatments. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health warns that these interactions can lead to serious side effects. Before adding any supplements to your routine, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications, ensuring your supplement choices support your well-being rather than jeopardize it. 4 supplements to prevent diseases and for longevity. As we age, maintaining our health and promoting longevity becomes increasingly important. Here are 4 essential supplements to help prevent diseases and support a longer, healthier life. First on the list is omega-3 fatty acids. Known for their heart health benefits, omega-3s can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. The American Heart Association recommends consuming at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week or taking a supplement of 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily. To enhance the benefits, consider incorporating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which can work synergistically with omega-3s. Next, we have vitamin D. This vital nutrient supports bone health and immune function and may reduce the risk of certain cancers. The recommended dosage for adults over 50 is 800 to 1000 IU daily, especially with limited sun exposure. Pairing vitamin D with calcium-rich foods can strengthen bone density and overall health. Third, consider adding probiotics to your regimen. These beneficial bacteria support gut health, which is crucial for digestion and immune function. A daily dose of 5 to 10 billion CFUs is generally recommended. To maximize the benefits, incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into your diet, as they naturally contain probiotics. Lastly, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A daily dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin, preferably with black pepper to enhance absorption, can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Combining curcumin with a balanced diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables can amplify its health benefits. Incorporating these supplements into your daily routine and healthy lifestyle choices can significantly enhance your overall well-being and longevity. 3 supplements that everyone needs. In today's fast-paced world, ensuring we get the proper nutrients can be challenging for people of all ages. Here are 3 vital supplements that can benefit everyone, regardless of age. First on the list is a high-quality multivitamin. Multivitamins provide a broad spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals that may be lacking in our diets. They can support immune function, energy levels, and overall health. To incorporate a multivitamin into your daily routine, consider taking it with breakfast to help establish a consistent habit. A common misconception is that multivitamins can replace a healthy diet. However, they are meant to complement a balanced intake of whole foods, not substitute. Next, we have vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, immune support, and mood regulation. Many people, especially those living in areas with limited sunlight, may be deficient. A daily supplement of 1,000 to 2,000 IU is generally recommended. To enhance absorption, take vitamin D with a meal that contains healthy fats. Some believe vitamin D is only necessary in winter months, but it's essential year-round for optimal health. Lastly, omega-3 fatty acids are vital for heart and brain health. These essential fats can help reduce inflammation and support cognitive function. Incorporating omega-3s into your routine can be as simple as taking a fish oil supplement or adding flax seeds and walnuts to your meals. A common misconception is that omega-3s are only beneficial for older adults but are essential for everyone, including children and young adults, for proper development and overall health. Integrating these supplements into your daily life can support your health and well-being at any age. The surprising risks of too much vitamin D for seniors. While vitamin D is essential for maintaining bone health and supporting the immune system, excessive intake can lead to serious health risks, particularly for seniors. Although rare, vitamin D toxicity can occur when levels in the body become too high, often due to oversupplementation. Symptoms of vitamin D toxicity can include nausea, vomiting, weakness, and frequent urination. More severe cases can lead to kidney damage, as high vitamin D levels can cause calcium to build up in the blood, a condition known as hypercalcemia. This can result in confusion, disorientation, and even heart problems. Seniors must be aware of these potential dangers, especially if they take multiple vitamin D supplements or medications. To ensure safety, seniors' recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for vitamin D is typically around 800 to 1,000 IU daily. However, some individuals may require different amounts based on their health status, lifestyle, and sun exposure. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage for your specific needs. Regular monitoring of vitamin D levels through blood tests is highly recommended, especially for seniors taking supplements. This can help identify any deficiencies or excesses, allowing for timely adjustments to supplementation. By staying informed and proactive about vitamin D intake, seniors can enjoy the benefits of this vital nutrient while minimizing the risks associated with excessive consumption. Supplements that changed my skin. Over 50. As I reached the milestone of 50, I noticed significant changes in my skin. It became drier and less elastic, and fine lines appeared overnight. Determined to restore my skin's vitality, I began exploring supplements that could help improve its appearance, and I was pleasantly surprised by the results. One of the first supplements I tried was collagen. I noticed a remarkable difference after just a few weeks of taking a daily collagen peptide powder. My skin felt more hydrated, and the fine lines around my eyes appeared less pronounced. I even received compliments from friends who remarked on my glowing complexion. Collagen has been shown to support skin elasticity and hydration, making it a fantastic addition to any skincare routine. Another supplement that made a significant impact was hyaluronic acid. Known for its ability to retain moisture, I started taking hyaluronic acid capsules alongside my morning routine. Within a month, my skin felt plumper and more youthful. I could see a visible reduction in dryness, and my makeup applied more smoothly than before. Lastly, I incorporated omega-3 fatty acids into my diet. These healthy fats improved my skin's hydration and helped reduce inflammation, which can lead to redness and irritation. After a few months, I noticed a more even skin tone and reduced breakouts. These experiences taught me that skin health is essential to overall wellness. By prioritizing supplements that support skin vitality, we can confidently and gracefully embrace aging. I encourage everyone to consider how supplements can enhance skin health as they navigate life after 50. Understanding which supplements to embrace and which to steer clear of is vital for maintaining optimal health as we age. Making informed supplement choices can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve energy levels, and support a vibrant lifestyle. Remember, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it aligns with your health needs. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our community. Please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights tailored for those over 50. Consider sharing this video with friends and family who might benefit from this knowledge. Together, we can empower each other to make healthier choices and embrace the journey of aging with confidence and vitality. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.